Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. First of all, it's important to remember that any changes to your diet or lifestyle should be done under the supervision of a qualified healthcare professional. Furthermore, the elimination of toxic heavy metals from the body is a complex process and requires a holistic approach. Contaminated food. Heavy metals can be present in food contaminated through pesticides, fertilizers, contaminated water, polluted soil, improper food processing, and other factors. Contaminated water. Drinking water can contain heavy metals, especially if it comes from contaminated underground or surface sources. Polluted air. Air pollution can include heavy metals, which can be inhaled and enter the body through the lungs. Cosmetics and personal care products. Some personal care products, such as toothpastes, lipsticks, and deodorants, may contain heavy metals. Dental amalgams. Dental amalgams containing mercury can release small amounts of mercury into the body. Vaccines. Some vaccines contain small amounts of heavy metals, such as mercury. Kitchen utensils and containers. Some kitchen utensils and containers may contain heavy metals, such as lead, which can transfer to food during cooking or storage. That said, there are some herbs that have detoxifying properties and can help with the elimination of heavy metals from the body. One such herb is coriander. Coriander is a popular culinary herb and is also known for its medicinal properties. Studies show that coriander has chelating properties, which means it can help remove heavy metals from the body. This is possible because cilantro contains compounds that bind to heavy metals and help eliminate them from the body. To use cilantro as part of a heavy metal detox regimen, you can add it to your diet. Try adding fresh cilantro to salads, soups, and hot dishes. You can also make fresh cilantro juice mixed with other fruits and vegetables. However, it is important to remember that cilantro alone is not a complete heavy metal detox solution. It's also important to make changes to your diet, such as avoiding processed foods, refined sugar and alcohol, and taking steps to reduce your exposure to heavy metals in the environment. Again, it is recommended to seek advice from a health professional before starting any detox program. If you liked this video, give it a like and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Above all, turn on the notification bell and you will receive more content like this every day. We are waiting for you in the next video. Thank you very much.